Gentwa so na yenyina Labor Day no amu ensem na wenu ya Asante mo chochro ni Dema Trade Union Congress Augustine Abambila Adongo ya watchere mo sa adwumayefo akatua ho nsensem ne de wo fom kura to say yeda hiani mu agesa aban de na si fomo eboye
Chochro Fropenia Oda TUC no ewo Asante Augustine Abambila Adongo ene Adom Kasee atwetwe nkonwa emochiri mu se abana nkasa wonhwe na enhyehye mapa betimi aboa ama organized labor wonjuma wodi ediboa oman no entimi enyina ye esanse ehyehye bi wo no ma abana wase otwa nani esan behwe mu biem etimi aboa mo asetenam akonkan eno achi odeto Adom Kasee ni musesi ade wona konhumabo abana de ma mo no akoye fi evidence be ya wonhwe nkratem na wase de odeka ho no etimi aboa yi papa oni Adom Kasee ebonkomo se
enti anedai eyeda yempeni fo no said ya mutie speech say aban enye ho bibi efa pension enfa ye katua challenges I face ye hu say cost of living akosoro say ye call negotiation table ye 10% na 10% na say ukojum na want me atofia a big challenge and your working conditions and also the poor working conditions and such challenges I want to say the low salaries I receiving also a 10% who translate a 19 cities 97 pesos and $2 per hour.
Enwachi ena Asante mayo Richard Ufuri Ajimai woni Adom Kasee ebonkomo edi tu dwase ndisi aban beboa na afensu ahwe ama ahweye ehwe padi ensem so ewo man gane mu ahuse sede akatua esifata obia no wonum akekasiani na ayekama.
We can attest to that there are low wages, poor working conditions and income inequalities. These have been significant challenges. In the light of this, that His Excellency the President John Dramani Mahama's government, through the Honorable Minister for Labour, Jobs and Employment, has committed to restructuring the single spine pay policy.
Kaka kwa branche amanebo Asante